Hello friends, my name is Ndugu, and today I want to speak to you about something very simple, very human, and very urgent. Every one of us eats, every one of us drinks, and every one of us needs a safe place to poop. That may sound blunt, but it is true. It doesn't matter whether you are a child or a mother or a father or a student or an elderly person, your profession, your wealth, every human being needs a safe, clean, and private place to poop. And yet, millions of people around the world, especially in places affected by wars, by disasters, poverty, and displacement, that basic human need is still missing. I know this burden is real because I've carried it since childhood. I grew up near Lake Kivu under the Kauzi-Biega Mountains, and my father worked for the Catholic Church. My childhood was full of faith, laughter, and community. But even then, I carried a deep fear that my mother or my little sister might fall into one of those unsafe pit latrines in our village. That fear never left me. And later, in humanitarian work across 5 continents, I saw food arrive, medicine arrive, tents arrive, blankets arrive. We move mountains when there is an emergency. But again and again, one basic need was forgotten: a safe place for people to poop. And when that need is forgotten, dignity is forgotten too. That is why we started PoopPotty. Our mission is simple and powerful: to build safe, clean, dignified toilets for people in crisis, starting in places currently experiencing serious humanitarian crises such as Congo and Haiti. And Jesus said, "Whatever you did for one of the least of these brothers and sisters of mine, you did it for me." Please stand with us. Please visit PoopPotty.com. Please donate if you can and share this message. Everybody poops, but not everybody has a safe place to do this. That's why PoopPotty exists. Thank you, and may God bless you.